Hello, baby boy.
Hello, my finalist babe.
Hello, where are you?
No, leave me alone, leave me alone.
Are you still mad at me, baby boy?
Shebi, you slapped me that time. Shebi, you slapped me that time that I come and surprise you. I used all my life savings to buy a surprise and you slapped me.
Are you still mad?
Yes, I'm still mad at you, yes.
I'm sorry, I swear the slap was not intentional. You know I love you, you know I love you, right?
Is it because you love me that you now slap me?
I love you so much.
I know that you love me. Okay, you still love me very well. Hey! Okay. Where are you? Okay, you're in that sign out place. I'm coming.
Alright, please, I'm expecting.
Yes, I'm coming.
Alright, baby boy, I'm expecting.
Okay.
Stupid. You mad though.
I'm mad. I press. I got see
guy.
me.
You mad though.
He dey come. High five. He dey come.
Because you love somebody now come and be saying this thing. But she said that she love me. But me too, I love her very well. How far, bro? How you side now? Too active, my bro. I beg.
Touch me.
Why
you where they don't use.
Which one we say they don't? Which one we say me where they don't use, bro?
Don't use you now.
Okay, now crime say I love finalists, bro. If he easy, run on, bro.
Yeah, you still fresh, you. You never no one you go still chop on last slap now. You still waiting you
bro,
want.
Bro, no be even that one carry me come, I beg. Guy, your mama don't give you your school fees, abi.
That's you the mad.
Yeah. Down there for money where you talk to you won't collect. You don't collect them.
I don't collect them.
How much?
150k.
Let me send them, I beg. I go give it tomorrow. I expect one funds tomorrow, I beg.
What you want is to do first. Don't tell me say you won't give me. You want is to buy something for
No. I want is no. Why I go for big? I said that. I beg. That 500k I borrow you last 2 months. I need that like this.
Now waiting we get that talk with this. I don't like
I need that like this.
But I don't use an pattern one matter.
Bro, you know if you use an pattern one matter, me I get matter where I want pattern too, bro.
You don't show pattern, guy.
Bro, I got show pattern. Yes.
I never get like this. What you want to do?
Bro, you go sell your phone.
On top 500k.
Bro, you go sell your phone. You know what I always do? My grandma get this thing. She swallow storage tank. That big tank, she swallow and
what you want is to do? No be that your finalist baby. You want is to go.
Some be finalist. You concern you. My house
your life don't spoil. Your mama knows everything they do. Your life don't spoil.
Which can't talk with that.
Your life don't.
Hello, mommy. Good afternoon, ma. How is everything, ma? Please, I have something to say and it's very important. If I'm not careful, I'll not come back home alive. Mommy, our faculty burn. Our college burn. Catch fire. Nobody should contribute money that we use and build another faculty, I swear. Mommy, go far. Please, that money that Uncle Ogume can't give me now. Remember, I still have 1.5 million with you. You can just let me send like 1 million out of the money. My finalist, babe.
I miss you. I miss you too.
Babe, close your eyes.
Okay. You have surprises.
Hey, this is the document for 7 acres of land. In Lekki, yes.
Because my babe is my life.
Babe, for the first time, I carry you for the first time.
Baby boy.
Are you for real?
7 acres of land in Lekki, babe, is for you.
I don't want to stress you. Are you sure about
No, it's fine. It's fine.
I don't take. I don't.
No, now. It's yours now.
Are you sure?
It's yours, I swear. This is the document. Like, just go and claim it, babe. It's for you. Like, I feel like we just build a future, you know.
Babe, you know what? Give me a few minutes. I need to attend to something, okay?
Okay, you want to attend to something?
All right, baby.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Wait. Just wait here.
Okay.
Wait
so
and grow here.
I'll just start my future. Like, I'll just build. Only me and my finalists that will be living in the house. I swear.
Hello, my man. I swear we don't make camp. Finally made it, babe. Once we see, you know what? I'm going to the airport right now. What I've always been waiting for has happened, babe. I tell you, so I go make camp. You go make camp, and I go spoil you, my love. See, babe, we meet at the airport, okay? I love you so much, babe. All right, later.
I've been waiting for my babe. Where did she go to for like 2 hours now? Where did she go? Sorry, brother. Good afternoon. Please, do you see my finalist babe? My finalist babe! My finalist babe! My finalist babe! My finalist babe! Where did my finalist babe go to?
Finalist babe!
Brother, I'm looking for my finalist babe. Do you hear me to see her?
Which baby they talk about?
My finalist babe that I love with my life. Like,
you still there? Which level you define babe for?
I'm in 100 level.
100 level you define babe for?
You not see this should be get. The guy already go to Cape Town. It's true. That finalist get that time. Boyfriend. She be babe. You not see that your babe already go to Cape Town. Eh?
My babe, Cape Town.
Not be your girlfriend be that?
Nah, lie.
Hey, boyfriend.
My babe, Cape Town. My babe. It's a lie. My finalist babe cannot be in Cape Town. It's a lie. It's a lie.
For 2026,
You are crying. You are crying. Ugu namo numana putamo ugu neshimo na zamo dinaya ugu. Yeah, babe, Cape Town. You see, babe. About our town. What are you going to do to your life now? Like, see, may I give one advice? Go they do gay.
Bam.